All right, guys, we got a really good deal on this creeper or this stool. It's not a creeper, it's a stool. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches, and holiday deals. All right, so this is says Nightlight Rolling Mechanic Seat, 250-pound capacity, padded mechanics stool with tool storage, auto repair. So yeah, it's just a basic Chinese version of the regular ones you guys see. It does have a nice tray at the bottom, casters, nice padded. I mean, these are not gonna be the bigger ones. These are gonna be smaller ones. Keep that in mind. Very inexpensive. It's actually really inexpensive. $24. The red one's $24. The black one's $33. Down from the $36.99. I'll leave you guys a link down below in the description section of the video. Yeah, this is not bad at all. That's how you can store your stuff. Multifunctional tool tray. Yeah, these are good to wash your vehicle. If you guys are washing your vehicle, scrubbing that rim, that tire, the bottom of your truck, it's always nice on your knees and have something like this. It says 2-inch thickness on the foam. Waterproof, soft touch. Up to 260 pounds, mechanics roller seat. Yeah, it's a fairly small seat. But for $24, guys, it's a no-brainer. 1437 inches wide and 15.16. 14.7 as tall. All right, guys. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.